Have you ever looked back and thought, what if I upgraded when I had the chance? I know someone who stayed in the same job for years, always planning to upgrade their skills someday. But life got in the way bills, kids, routine. Then one day, their position was replaced with someone who had the training they kept putting off. The regret hit hard. Not because they weren't capable, but because they didn't act when the opportunity was there. Here's the truth: life won't pause for us. Technology keeps moving, industries keep shifting, and opportunities keep passing by. But the good news, it's never too late to start. That's where Career Plus comes in. If you're not sure which path to take, we're here to help. We'll guide you through the process, match you with colleges that fit your schedule, whether online, blended, or in person, and explain how student aid and funding can work for you. Don't let someday turn into regret. If you still believe in your dream, make it happen today.